Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Advcash to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, for verified users can utilize local bank transfers with a transaction range from 100 to 5,000 USD. The processing time is around 3 business days. Now, to initiate a local bank transfer, you need to access the relevant sections in your account. From there, choose the currency, bank, the wallet source for the funds, and the purpose of the transfer itself. Now, specify the desired amount, complete the sender's personal information, and provide the recipient's name, address, and payment details. Ensure the data entry accuracy of the data entry. Express the agreement and with the terms and conditions by checking the corresponding fields, and proceed by clicking transfer. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.